We're gonna jump right into this one, guys. Traxxas has released another High Trail Edition TRX-4, and this one is perfect for Blue Oval fans. It's a licensed Ford F-150 XLT, and look how amazing this beast is. Traxxas is killing it with their scale bodies, and let's take a close look at all the detail on this Ford, starting off with the grille area. Lots of detail here, lots of depth as well. There is a separate piece for the grille molded in black, and then we have the chrome trim around the outside. Even the bezels around the headlights are a black plastic. Clear lenses, because you could add LED lights later. It doesn't come in the kit. Same with the markers. Love the big chrome front bumper. And like the K10 that we've already reviewed, there's lots of chrome accents everywhere on this. The wipers, the door handles, the rear bumper as well, and then this chrome trim piece along the side. It is not a decal. This is an actual molded piece, plated, and they even have the marker lenses set into them that you could add LED lights to. Really love that piece, much better than a decal. And look what else they include, a roll bar with chrome lights on the top. You could go add LED lights to the light bar later on down the road. They have a kit to do that, to swap that out. But I love that they included this with this kit. Still need to get one for my K10. That's on my wish list. Mirrors on the side. I mentioned the chrome door handles, and let me just show you the details out back. The center plate here with the Ford logo is a separate chrome piece, and then the taillights are a separate piece as well with red lenses. Chrome rear bumper, and then even a trailer hitch on that. And you probably already noticed no body clips. That's because they have their clipless system in here. You just reach into the fender well, pop it up, and you can access the body really quick and easy, and it just pops right back on. The metallic blue is pretty sweet, but they also offer this metallic brown. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll have links in the video description. Now we'll go over what makes it the High Trail Edition TRX-4, starting off with the wheels and tires. These are the Canyon Trail 2.2 tires. These are a nice, soft, tall tire with a firm insert in there. Awesome for just doing all sorts of off-roading, and they're mounted to these new 5-hole semi-chrome wheels. Now the other change is the suspension. They have different lengths, longer lengths, and longer shocks on here to give this thing more ground clearance. Now let's quickly go over the features of the TRX-4. It has a C-channel metal frame rail system, battery mounts in the center here. The battery strap can be maneuvered, so you can run 2S packs or 3S packs in it. Love the inner fender wells that you could add rock lights to. We even have floorboards and rock sliders. The driveline on this is what makes it really special. We have a 2-speed transmission in the center. Here is the shift servo for that, so you can select if you want high or low drive. Slider drive shafts down to the portal axles, which is another thing that makes the TRX-4 so special. These portal axles work really well. Metal gears on the inside, ball bearings, CV joints out to the portal housings. Really stout setup. Now let's take a look at the electronics. It comes with the TQI radio system that will shift the 2-speed transmission with a button right by your trigger finger, and then a switch on the top of the radio system shifts the servos that will lock out the differentials in those portal axles. Powering the truck is the Titan 21-turn 550 motor and XL5 HV speed controller. This one was developed specifically for crawling use. It has the ID plug to work with the Traxxas power cells, and that's everything you need to know about the new High Trail Edition kit. You will need a battery and charger to get this thing going, 4 AA's for the radio system, but I've got a special place to go and run this. So let's head off and have some fun with the new F-150 Ranger. What I really like about the High Trail Edition is that it's a versatile truck for the fun haver. Because it has over an inch more ground clearance than a standard TRX-4, you could do a lot more with it. You could go through deeper mud, you could go over bigger rock obstacles, you could go through a little bit deeper of a stream. It's a fun truck to drive. Absolutely had a great time with it at the beach, took it to some trails as well. Just a super capable rig. It's capable of crawling up some pretty steep inclines with the low gear, and then when you switch it over to high gear, the thing just boogies. It steers pretty well. You're gonna notice a little bit of stall out when you're really challenging it. When I was over at the beach going through the rocks, it would kind of stall out on me, but it was going over some really gnarly terrain, and you could always upgrade to a better servo if you do feel you need to. Traxxas has a ton of option parts for this, so you could go and customize it. Love the look of this Ford F-150 body. I do have two gripes about it. Number one being that we have blacked out windows. It's painted on the backside, so you can't even cut out the decal on the front. Really wish they would give us clear windows from the factory. The other thing is the tires do catch on the front bumper body area a little bit when you max out the articulation on it. You got to give it a little bit there because it is a very scale detail body. If they were to open that up a bit, you know, it would look a little weird. So you're just gonna have to deal with a little clicking, but I love these High Trail Edition trucks. This is a great looking body on here. It really looks good sitting next to the K10. I really hope they continue with the High Trail line, maybe give us another body option. If they did, what would you like it to be? Let me know in the comments section below.